Hi, I'm Pedram from the Hernando County Fine Arts Council.
And I'm Elisa with Art in the Park, and we're here to invite you to our 40th annual show happening on March 8th and 9th at Tom Varn Park.
Come celebrate Hernando County's largest art show, free for family and friends, featuring incredible one-of-a-kind artwork, including paintings, sculpture, ceramics, glass art, and more.
Enjoy 2 full days of entertainment and live demonstrations throughout the park. A lot of these installations are interactive, so you can come out and be a part of the fun.
Enjoy a student art show showcasing Hernando County art students, as well as a free children's experience with art instruction by local nonprofits.
Cast your You Be the Judge ballot to vote for your favorite artist, find a unique piece of artwork, and celebrate 40 years of creativity with us.
We would not be able to do this without our sponsors: Florida's Adventure Coast, City of Brooksville, the Love Val Foundation, Roots Creative Co., Mrs. Grout, and many more.
Mark your calendars for March 8th and 9th and bring the whole family.
Looking forward to seeing you here at Tom Varn Park.